Hello, you are welcome to today's lesson, and we are still solving Jamb mathematics top problems in Surds. Question number 1. We are given that P is equal to 1 plus root 2 and Q is equal to 1 minus root 2. We are to evaluate P squared minus Q squared all over 2PQ. Here we are going to apply difference of two squares, and that is equal to P plus Q into P minus Q all over 2PQ. So coming over here, you substitute the values, and that will give us brackets 1 plus root 2 plus brackets 1 minus root 2 into 1 plus root 2 minus brackets 1 minus root 2. Then everything over 2 into 1 plus root 2, and then 1 minus root 2. Okay? So we try to simplify, and then that will give us 1 plus root 2 plus, you open the bracket, 1 minus root 2. And then that will be into 1 plus root 2 minus 1 plus root 2. This negative here will change this to plus. Everything over 2 into 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times minus root 2 is minus root 2. Root 2 times 1 is plus root 2. And root 2 times minus root 2 is minus root 4. Okay? So, moving on, we have, that will give us this and this. To give us 2, that's 1 plus 1. And then root 2 minus root 2. These two will disappear. So that will be 2 brackets. This plus this remain. This and this will go. And then coming over here, 1 minus 1 is 0. Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. That is, this and this will disappear. This and this will give us 2 root 2. Then all over, again, 2 into, this and this will also disappear. Then this will give us 1 minus root 4 is 2. And that is 2 into 2 root 2 all over 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 2 bracket minus 1. And then we can divide, giving us 2 root 2 all over minus 1. 2 root 2 all over minus 1, which finally we have minus 2 root 2. So this is the final answer to that. So we quickly go over to question number 2. Number 2, we have 2 root 3 minus root 2 all over root 3 plus 2 root 2. Now, to simplify this, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate. That means we have 2 root 3 minus root 2 all over root 3 plus 2 root 2 times root 3 minus 2 root 2 all over root 3 minus 2 root 2. That is root 3 minus 2 root 2 is the conjugate of root 3 plus 2 root 2. So we move on. This times this will give us 2 root 9. 2 root 9. This times this will give us minus 4 root 6. Then this times this, that's this root 2 times this will give us minus root 6. This time this will give us minus 2 root 4. So denominator now, this time this give us root 9. This time this give us minus 2 root 6. This time this plus 2 root 6. This time this give us minus 4 root 4. Okay, so remember that this one will disappear, and then coming over here we have 2 times 3 for this minus 5 root 6 for these two minus 2 times 2 for this. Then denominator now we have 3 minus 4 times 2. And then moving forward, we have 6 for this minus 5 root 6 minus 4. Let me see. Minus 4. This and this, please, this should be plus, because minus times minus is plus. So this should be plus, this should be plus, and this also plus. Yes, that's a little mistake. Minus 2 root 2 times minus this will give us plus 2 root 4. So all over 3 minus 8. And that will give us 6 plus 4 minus 5 to 6. All over minus 5, because 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So that will now give us 10 minus 5 to 6 all over minus 5. And we can factor out 5. That is 5 brackets 2 minus root 6 all over minus 5. You divide, that will lead us to 2 minus root 6 all over minus 1, which we can write as minus bracket 2 minus root 6. And if you open the bracket, this is the same thing as minus 2 plus root 6. And remember that we have to express it in this form, m plus n root 6. Therefore, our m is minus 2, and our n is equal to 1. So that concludes the question number 2. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, you put it in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.